Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of free shit that YouTubers get. Or if this is your first time watching this, make sure to watch the other two afterwards. So I actually get asked quite a bit, like, how do you get brands to send free stuff to you? And I thought it was pretty self-explanatory, but I guess not if you aren't really delved in the field. But basically, being an influencer, YouTuber, Instagrammer, whatever it may be, if you have some sort of following, brands will send you stuff for free in hopes that you will feature their product in your content. And it doesn't at all mean it's sponsored because they're not forcing me to show anything. They're just sending stuff in hopes that I like it, in hopes that I talk about it, etc, etc. No one's paying me. So that's why all this stuff is sent to me. So I got a whole bunch of packages this past week and I haven't been able to open any because I've been so busy. So I thought we could sit down and do it together. This first package is actually really cool. It reminds you of like a computer or old school like hardware that you would buy, a computer set or something like that. So it shows you this. This is the new Mac and Jeremy Scott collaboration. Alright, there is a, what is this? A t-shirt. That's cute. Look at that. Neon t-shirt. Oh gosh. Guys, look at that. That is adorable. Also though, where the hell am I gonna put this in my makeup collection? I don't know where this is gonna fit. Ooh, look at that. Some pretty colors right there. You know when you, old school days where they have like the music bars and you can see, you know, you guys know what I'm talking about. If you're a 90s kid, you know what I'm talking about. Although the packaging is massive for such a small amount of product. Alright, the two other smaller items, it's like a little CD. Do you guys remember this? If you were born anytime later than me, you probably aren't gonna remember this, but I used to buy CDs and like burn my own CDs, create my own little mixtapes, you know, and I would put them in my car and you just listen to the same, you know, 20 songs that are on that CD. You can also burn photos on CDs and that's how you would keep your memories. That is so cute. Wow. So there is a bronzer, blush, and highlight right there. And then lastly, a little cassette. This is even older than the CD. I remember using little cassettes to like record my own singing. I would put that and you would click the record button on your, I don't even know what it's called anymore, like stereo? Yeah, you'd click the record button on your stereo and then I would like sing my songs with my friends and do stuff and then you could like replay it so you could hear yourself. So that is what we used to like record stuff back in the day before we had phones and microphones and all that kind of stuff. Tell me if you guys remember. I want to know if you guys are as old as me or just have no idea what I'm talking about. Look at that! Okay, what is this? It's lips? Lip colors in there. All very colorful stuff. Everything is very colorful. It kind of reminds me of the 90s. I mean, yeah, I mean the packaging is reminiscent of the 90s, but the colors itself also remind me of the 90s too. And everything's like magnetic closure, which is nice. Alright, this next one is a pretty big box. Ooh, it smells really nice. Oh, look, little flowers in a, oops, in a little box. Oh, this is what smells nice. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff from Moroccan Oil. Moroccan Oil has actually been one of the hair brands that I have enjoyed using their products for such a long time. I've used them since I was like back in high school. So it's been with me for such a long time. So right now they have a new Fleur de Rose collection, which is dedicated, modern, inspired by French roses that thrive in Mediterranean climates. So this one is a Body Buff Rose Peel Exfoliant. I love using body exfoliants. I feel like it makes such a big difference, especially when you have dry skin in the winter. You don't realize like how flaky, dry, and crusty you feel until you use an exfoliant and you're just like so smooth afterwards. My legs swear by exfoliants. And then there is a body moisturizer right here. And this one is a body butter. This one is a shower milk hydrating body wash. I love body washes. I think that like the first step in smelling good starts with your body wash because that's kind of like what, you know, washes you and sticks on your body. And then we have two hair things. So this one is a shampoo for all hair types, Fleur de Rose, and a conditioner as well. I'm excited to try these. They'll make my hair smell good. I've never had rose smelling shampoo, so that will be different. Alright, next I have a package from Clinique. I don't know who Marimekko is, but it seems very fun. So there's a fun little tote bag, super cute. Makeup bag, very cute as well. It's a good size too. I like these sizes for makeup bags. Oh my god, so fun! Guys, there's so many lip products in here. I'm sure these are lip products. There's like sparkly pink ones. Ooh, this is a nice like mauve pink. Oh, look at all the packaging though. That's really cute. This packaging is so fun. And a cute little mirror. I like getting mirrors because I always lose them, and I like having a mirror in my purse. As part of the Marimekko collection, it's the Clinique Pop Splash Gloss and Hydrate. These run for $24 per piece, and the packaging is so cute. I would actually love to keep this as display pieces. Alright, next I have something from Maybelline. Let's open this up. Ooh! It is all the new Super Stay Matte Ink Un-Nudes. So it's a bunch of like nude-ish colors. I actually did a swatching video on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, I can link it below. But these are all their new colors. My favorites are Ruler and Amazonian. Out of all the liquid lipsticks that I've tried so far, these are actually my favorite. Like, no lie about it. This drugstore one is my favorite because they stay on literally through everything. I have showered and washed my face and this still didn't come off. I actually have to take a cotton pad with like oil remover and soak it on my lips for a few seconds for it to be able to break it down and come off. And I really actually like the wand itself. It's really precise and gets a lot of product on there, or enough product on there. And I have gifted some of these to my friends, and every time I give one to them and they try it, they will message me and be like, Sylvia, this is like the best liquid lipstick ever. It stays on when you eat noodles. It stays on when you drink drinks. It stays on through everything, and it's not even drying. Sometimes I actually even forget that it's on my lips, so I'll start like biting my lips and I'm like, wait, I'm wearing lipstick. Like, you actually don't feel it after a while. But because I actually have this whole collection already, since they sent me some to do the swatching video, let's give this whole collection away. I'm gonna give one lucky winner this whole package right here of all these colors. All you have to do is be a subscriber of mine, be following me on Instagram, so make sure you comment below with your Instagram handle so I can check that you're following me, and give this video a thumbs up. I will pick a winner a week from now. Next, I have a package from Kerastase. I actually really like Kerastase's masks. They have really great hair masks. So this is a really nice gold collection. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, this is a rinse out pre-shampoo. This is for exfoliating your scalp and hair, which I will probably need because I have a really dry, flaky scalp, especially in the winter. It acts up even more in the winter. So I'm always looking for kind of exfoliating masks that I rub into my hair before I shower, sometimes even in the shower. So I am excited to try this out. I'm always looking for things to help my dry scalp. It's very, very difficult. And they also gave me an essential revitalizing balm for scalp and hair. Nice! I'm super excited to try this because it sounds like it's something for dry scalp. And this is the shampoo. I love the packaging, gold and black, so sleek. Makes me feel better about my dry scalp. Alright, oh, Pixi Beauty. Oh look, there's Whaley. That is so cute. I've been watching Whaley for a really, really long time. She was one of the first people that I watched on YouTube. So I'm so proud to see where she's come. That's so nice. She says, known for my girl talk and lifestyle videos, I do tutorials and tips for creating dimensional eyes. I'm seriously dedicated to cruelty-free products. Okay, there's a lot of paper about a lot of things. Glimmery eyeshadow. I don't know. I never fucking read this shit. There is the, oh yay, the Glow Tonic To Go. I love my Pixi Glow Tonic toner. It's one of my favorite toners. And this is, I guess, the to-go pads that have pads that are already soaked in it, so you can just use it, which is great for traveling. Awesome. And then we have some liquid fairy lights. I think this is a eyeshadow. So sparkly eyeshadow. I think there's a bunch of different colors here. Ooh. Ah! Here's a bunch of different colors. There's just so much in here. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys everything. I have a bunch of Pixi products that I like, but I don't try all of their stuff because sometimes I feel like they have such a big range. It's like very intimidating to me. So there's Lip Icing, which is a lip glow. It adds sparkle to any lip look. But I do have some favorites. Lip Lift Max, a glossy lip plumper. Okay, I'm definitely going to try this. Anything that plumps my small, thin ass lips. Rose Flash Bomb. I heard this is a favorite. Again, I haven't tried this one before, but I've gotten sent it before. Honestly, guys, I got sent all the products that I put into my back room that I say I'm going to try eventually, but it takes me so long to get through all the products. Okay, so this one is the Pixi Dulce Candy palette. Never tried that. This one is the Pixi Chloe Morello palette. Bum, bum, bum. I love that they actually work with a lot of YouTubers. That's really cool. I think that's super cool. And this is the Pixi Whaley palette. Dimensional Eye Creator. Cool. It comes with a liner and an eyeshadow palette. Okay, some last few things in here. This is a lower lash mascara. Oh, cool. I always use mascara on my lower lashes, so it's nice to have one that's dedicated to that. It's a smaller little wand, so I think that's why it's a appealing thing. Alright, a little something something from Buxom. I actually was trying my Buxom liquid lipsticks earlier today. I liked them. They were very soft and nice, but I didn't wear them long enough to tell you if they were long lasting or drying or not. A little lip pouch. Like, what do you put in these things anyways? Like, what in the frick can you put in here? Like a secret love note? I don't understand. Okay, Buxom introduces Power Plump Lip Balm Shade Extension. I like Buxom because they have a lot of like plumping products, and girl, that's what your thin-lipped chick over here needs. Wow, I actually think I'm gonna really like these. The colors are really nice too. So we have over here, oh wait, I have this one I think. Yeah, the Big O, I think I have this one. And I think I already use it. If it's the same one as the other. Yes, I have this one and I very much like it. I do feel like it's nice moisturizing, plumping, so I'm into that. And they have the 3 new colors. This one is Flush, which is like a purpley mauve pink. This one is called Fiery, which is more reddish pink. And this one is a nude color called Glowing. I'm excited. I'm gonna try all these. Should I do a swatch video of these? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, next I have some things from NARS. Is this the Spring 2018 Color Collection? Woo! I never really used a lot of NARS until recently, but I've actually been really into their products. Like, I always am now using their bronzer palette and their highlight palette. Love that palette. It's one of my favorites. The one thing about NARS, like, their packaging is always so sleek and nice. This is a lipstick thing. What is it? I should read these papers that they give me. Okay, lip cover in 4 different limited edition shades. They're mostly like nude-ish. And then there is a blush. This one is called Free Soul. Light shimmering pink, highlighting blush it says. Additionally, there is a liquid blush. Again, not into liquid blushes, so I don't think this is gonna be for me, but it's a nice concept. Maybe I'll give it a try, I don't know. Depends how adventurous. And lastly are these, what are these? Oh, shadow sticks? Maybe, yeah, shadow sticks. Holy fucking shit. You guys are gonna be blown away at what I'm about to show you. This next package is from MAC, and they have sent over Hyper Real Glow palettes. Oh my god. Every time I see highlighters, I like get a little tingly inside. Alright friends, let's open this ASAP right now. I'm gonna try this on my face right fucking now. Okay. From left to right, there is Flash and Awe, Rosy Glow, and Light of the Party. Let's swatch. Okay. That's what it looks like. Whoa. Ooh. Should I try one on right now? I already have a pretty strong highlight going on, but who cares? Let's just go for the gold. A little pink here, maybe I'll put the pink on. Oh. Oh. That's a lot on my lip. Oh well, fuck it. Oh my god. I'm glowing everywhere. So this one's a more gold toned one. I don't typically use a lot of gold tones because I find a lot of them just are too gold on my skin, so it kind of looks like I'm putting like just tanner on there or something like that. But this one is called Gold Coasting, Getting It Glow in the middle, Get It Glowing, and Rosy Cheer on the side. Everything is great. My life is perfect again. Like, why, Mac? Why you gotta get so good at these things? It's just so crazy. It's unfair to everyone else. Alright, next I have this. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Yes! My Felony cases came in. I love Felony cases. They just look so cool. So, let me show you guys this first one. This one is a Kaleidoscope Clear. So there's a little white thing behind it right now, but it is actually a clear one. And then I also have a, ooh, holographic one right there. Ooh, wow. Wow, almost as lit as my highlight. And, of course, also a holographic kaleidoscope as well. I still have my decal on it, so I actually think it might look cool against my marble decal. Oh, there's an extra like layer around these new ones. Oh look, hey, they didn't have this before. You can remove the bumper. Nice, Felony, stepping it up. Good job. That was actually one of my issues with the Felony cases before. Like, I loved them, but I didn't like that they didn't have a bumper because I would drop my phone so much that I really do need a bumper. Yeah, that's way better. Good job, Felony. You done did it. You done good. Also, the owner of Felony, I've met him before, Andrew, and he's so freaking nice. Whenever he sees that I am phone caseless, he's messaging me right away. And when he sees me comment on any of the posts, he'll be like, do you want that? And I'm like, yes, please. That looks really cool against my marble decal. Look at that. Wow, I forget what color my phone is. Oh, my phone's actually a rose gold, so it actually would look good under that too, but woo! Alright, we're nearing the end, folks. So next I have something from Ole Henriksen, one of my fave skincare brands right now. I'm loving their stuff. I'm currently using their green toner, their eye creams, and their exfoliating face wash. So this is from the Higi line. I don't even know how to say this. So they sent me actually macarons with this from Delice, which was amazing, but I ate them all because it's not Valentine's Day anymore. They got me the Higi, someone needs to explain to me how to pronounce this. Hydroclay Detox Mask. And it's the double cleanser with the cloth. This is a good product, very into this. And the last thing I have from them is Berry Nurturing Gel Mask. Oh, I don't think I've ever tried this before. It's a perfume. It smells nice. It smells very mature. It smells like sophisticated. It's Issei Miyake. I want to see what this bottle looks like. Whoa. Wow. Huh. It kind of reminds me of Chloe a little bit, but like a bit more mature. Last but not least, I have some stuff from the Design Me event that I went to. I've actually seen this brand first on Instagram, but I've never seen them in Canada. So when I got invited to the launch party, I was pretty excited. Their most famous one that I saw on Instagram is called the Puff Me Dry Shampoo. It looks something like this. It's these little buddies right here. I definitely have seen them on Instagram before. And I tried them. They're more like, I wouldn't say they're dry shampoo. They're really more like a texturizer and volumizer. I do like them, but you can definitely feel the texture, whereas like for dry shampoos, you don't feel the texture because it's not supposed to be texturing. But this one would be good if you want like more of that like beachy texture in your hair. And then, like, this is cute. Game-changing hairspray inside. Woo. Oh, this is really cool. They taught me how to use this. So essentially, what you do is that you can turn the nozzle so that there are 3 different adjustments you can make when using the hairspray. If you guys can see here, I don't know if you guys are able to see, but you can turn the nozzle to adjust like light hold, medium hold, and heavy or strong hold. Yeah, I've never seen that in a hairspray before, so that's pretty cool. They also gave me, what is this? I don't freaking know. Oh, some cute, oh, some cute little like fruit pins and stuff. That's adorable. I don't want to pick that up. And then a few more products in here. We have the Fab Me, which is a hair treatment. We got a Power Dry Me, so it's a blow dry in half the time. My Dyson already does that for me. My Dyson, I can actually blow dry my hair in 5 minutes. So you're saying that with this on, I can get it done in 2.5 minutes? Let's see. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun unboxing with me. Sometimes I wish you guys were like really there so we could like talk with the products and just watch them and have fun with each other, but it's just me by myself talking to my camera. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you want some of the best liquid lipsticks you will ever try. I will talk to you guys again really soon. So until then, see ya! Mwah!